This PowerPoint presentation supports Achievement Standard 90379, demonstrate understanding of how internal factors interact within a business that operates in a global context. Today, continuing on the whole idea of change management, we're now looking at PESTLE and change management responses. So, a quick understanding of what PESTLE is and how it identifies external change issues, and then how change management theories that we've looked at can adapt to PESTLE influences. This is also being utilised with a couple of case studies which have been distributed to the class. So just to recap, PESTLE. So PESTLE is a tool for external analysis for organisations to look outside their company and to see from different points of view what changes are going to be affecting them. And the PESTLE is the acronym of political, economic, social, technological, legal and environmental. So from a political point of view, if there's any general elections coming up, if there's big political changes occurring, that may have a knock-on effect. So for example, the Brexit vote that happened in the UK would have a knock-on effect of European companies, which no doubt would have a global effect to other companies, including New Zealand organisations as well. Economic, the state of the economic cycle. Are we in a stage of boom, bust, etc., etc.? Social, what social trends are occurring? Social trends at the minute, people are living longer, you could say. People are eating healthier. That is a social trend. How are these being affected? People are more computer literate. They're social media savvy. This is a social trend. Technological. Okay, what technological advances are there which have affected organisations? So, well, the utilisation of the internet. Legal. What laws have come through? The changes to minimum wage. The changes to health and safety laws. Environmental. How's the environment and people's attitude towards the environment, which is also a social aspect? How are all these issues affecting our organisations? So, effectively, PESTLE identifies these changes, okay, and therefore alerts change managers of change to be able to adapt to these needs. So they identify the upcoming changes. The change but the management must be implemented as a result, okay? And it must be in line with strategic missions and visions of the organisation. So as we looked at before, we looked at these three theories, and these can be adapted through Moodle. So we're looking at a Heaven's Pizza case study. So what we need to do is match the PESTLE facts of what we're seeing. How can it be adapted with the company, and how can we adapt it to the Kubler-Ross change management model?